Welcome again, members, to this channel here. Today, I want us to look into something as we have started looking something new for those who have been following this channel here. What we're going to look today will not be different, or maybe much different from what our last lesson was about. Last time we looked about what's called the primary source of information literacy. Today, we want us to dive into what's called the secondary source. We shall see what's mean, the importance, an example. That's basically what we're going to talk about. So primary secondary source, is what we're going to look into. So secondary source of information literacy, it basically the information which has been analyzed, interpreted, and summarized, or it's a second-hand information. When we say secondary source, it must have been built from a primary source. When we say analyze, it has been looked into critically. There are some other words which are eradicated, some which are incorporated in. And when we say interpreted, it has been put in a way whereby everyone can understand, or it has been summarized. Also basically mean that other words are excluded, others have been imported in. So these are second hand. It has the foundations or primary, and this is what we call basically secondary source. It is source which has been analyzed, interpreted, and summarized, and a second hand sourced. So we have the example of review articles. When we say review, it means that it has been looked into twice. You can publish your articles, then someone just come and look into, then organize it. Also, our books, the books we use, the textbooks and other books. Also, this is an example of primary source of what? Informations. Secondary source of informations. Whereby when you go at the extreme, then you find a lot of differences. It means that the book has been built from the sources. News report also is one of them, and even biographies also serve the same purpose. Those are information which have not been the initial one, but they have been built from the existing one. So this is an example of a secondary source of what? Information. Let's see the importance of these sources here, or maybe the importance of secondary source of information. First of all, it's to bring what's called contextuality. When we say contextuality, it means that it support or it does not undermine the primary source. It is constructed based on the primary source of information. So this is what's called contextuality. It do everything in reference to the primary source. We have also the importance of evaluations. When we say evaluation, it has been synthesized. It has been checked into very well. What is needed, they maintain. What is not needed, they eradicate. So that's what we call evaluation in a simple way where people can understand. The another important is synthesis. Synthesis basically means that something may be talking on one thing, but they will get the sources from different areas. Like you may be talking about mental health, or maybe what was mental health basically. Then you'll get a lot of articles talk about mental health, but you are going to use different knowledge from the different authors of those articles, and you come up with your work. So that's what I call synthesis. It's bring about a lot of things. And also the last one is accessibility. When we say accessibility, it is based on basically you might have not understood very well from the primary source, but when they synthesize and it make you, in fact, it make it available for you to understand and to get it clear. That's what accessibility mean. It be a profit for everyone to understand. Every public will be accessible to it because they will be transformed in a manner that everyone can access it very well and can understand, publish, and also given. Like take for instance that if they have not published series of knowledge, in terms of textbook, some of us might have not had access to those things. So that's what basically accessibility means. Thank you so much, members. This is basically what's about secondary informations, also talk about information. Thanks for listening. Remain Simon Peter. For more information, you can call us that very number. Thank you so much. We meet next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We shall be continuing with other assignment on the way. Have a nice moment.